Hi, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm gonna take class on how to get the data from the Excel sheet. First, you just click on this new button. It will open the new task. Okay, so in the left side you have a features. Okay, we are going to extract the data from the Excel sheet. Okay, so you just select this open spreadsheet. Okay, in this open spreadsheet we have a fields to enter. So these are all the user inputs. Okay, so first one is a session name. Okay, the first thing, the session name will be unique for each sheet. By the session name only, the Automation Anywhere tool will identify the specific sheet. If, for example, if we have three sheets, for how you will differentiate the three sheets, you will differentiate the sheets by this session name. If you want to do some operation on the first sheet, means by the session name only we will do the following operations. If you want to do some operations on the second sheet, we will use a second sheet session name to manipulate any operation on that. So here I'll give the session name as book. In this second one, you need to select the spreadsheet path. Okay, now I'll give the spreadsheet path, static path I'll give. So I'll give open. Okay, and then yeah, the third one will be the radio button, the specific sheet name. Okay, this if you have a different sheets, if you have some more than 10 sheets, here you need to mention the specific sheets name where our data will be available. Okay, if my data is available on the 10th sheet, you need to specify the sheet name. Okay, what they have given here. Okay, so right now I have only one sheet, so I no need to give this radio button. So now I'll give save. Okay, so after that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extract the data from the Excel sheet. Okay, for that we have a get cells feature. Okay, in the get cell features we have some three types. Okay, the first one is a get single cell. What it will do is the get single cell will get the single cell data from the Excel sheet. Okay, the second one is get multiple cells. Okay, in this we are gonna specify the range of the cells. Suppose I want to get the data from A5 to A10, means we have to mention the address, cell address here, from range to range. This third one will be the get all cells. Get all cells is it will select all cells and it will load into the memory. Okay, if you want to fetch the data from the memory, we can use the system variable, that is Excel column, and we have to give the column index there. Okay, that we will check later. Okay, first we'll see get single cell. Okay, in this I have given the session name book. Okay, below this we have a two radio button. The one is active cell, the another one is specific cell. Okay, we will see active cell later. First we'll select specific cell. In this I need to select in the which single cell I'm gonna extract. Okay, so we have to give the cell address. Okay, now I'm giving B4. This is a cell address. I want to extract the data. So after that, after extracting data, we have to pass a value to the variable. Okay, so I will pass the variable to the clipboard. Okay, this is a system variable, so we should not use this clipboard variable. In worst case only we should use it. The clipboard What's a clipboard variable? The clipboard variable is whatever you are copying, that will be in the clipboard variable. Suppose if you are giving control C, okay, so you copied some variable that will be available in the clipboard. You can use anywhere if you want. Okay, for time being I'm assigning the variable value to this variable. Okay, so I'm giving save. Okay, after that I want to know what value get extracted from the Excel sheet. So for that I'm giving the message box. Third one will be the message box. Okay, in this we have to enter, okay, the text here. Okay, so for that, for our values will be assigned to the clipboard variable. Okay, if you need if you want to access the variables in this box, in this text box, what you should do is you have to click F2 button. If you click F2, it will display you the variable, local variable, user defined variables as well as the system variables. Okay, we want to insert clipboard. Okay, because we already passed the variable to this variable. Okay, so I'll give save. Okay, and then what we should do is we need to dispose the Excel sheet. Okay, for that we have to give close spreadsheet. Okay, in close spreadsheet you have to specify the name what we have given. Okay, in the, at last, if you want to save the changes what you have done in the Excel sheet, you can give automatically, it will save. If you don't want to save, you can check this checkbox. Okay, so now I don't want, because I'm gonna just extract the data from the Excel sheet. So I'll press save button. Okay, so now I'm gonna run this task. Okay, so I'll click on this run task button. Okay, so we need to save before running this task. Okay, I'll give yes. Okay, now it's running. See what it displaying is Karthik. Okay, in the cell address B4. Okay, I'll give okay. My task get completed. Okay, I'll show you that Excel now. So this is Excel I used in this task. Okay, see in the B4, so B4 is Karthik. Okay, you can see this is B and this row is fourth row. So B4, that address, the value is Karthik. Okay, so that value only extracted here. This value only extracted here. So next